Radiation oncology is just such an essential pillar in cancer treatment, and TROG, as the lead radiation oncology trials group, is central to improving the lives of cancer patients within Australia by testing new methods, by bringing new technology to patients, and ultimately improving how patients are treated and the quality of treatment across Australia, and also through the research to be able to inform practice around the world.
So why are groups like TROG important? So they're not important, they're essential, they're indispensable. And we can't have a good drug development, radiotherapy development enterprise without groups like TROG. Now, in the case of TROG, they also not only function as a research enterprise, but they also function as a means to advance the best mode of radiation therapy in the community at large, or in this case in Australia. And that's incredibly important because there has to be an institution, and in this case it's TROG, that is in charge of that of vetting new procedures, vetting new approaches, and then seeing them as valuable and then transferring them to the community at large. Now, what they're also important for is for conducting research, and research is essential if we're going to make meaningful progress in the treatment of cancer. And groups like TROG for that are why they're indispensable.
But TROG is always a fantastic meeting. It's our opportunity to network, to collaborate, to communicate about research. And this year there's just been the most amazing lineup of international speakers where we've learned heaps and we've got lots of inspiration. So I think on the whole it's a wonderful meeting, both for learning as well as for socializing.
I did enjoy the presentations, really good keynote speakers, really good new proposals, well presented, great people. I do also enjoy very much the conversations that we have in the hallways at the exhibition, which is a great chance to catch up with vendors as well. But just talking with colleagues is always very valuable, and TROG is very good in that there are people from all professions in cancer care, and chatting with ROs, RTs, trials managers is just really good, and it's always a good crowd that comes, and it's really enjoyable and get some really good discussions going at any time of the day.
The future of radiotherapy actually is quite bright. I think they're making more advances than anybody would have thought. But increasingly radiation therapists are finding ways to, harm less and less normal tissue and direct more and more of their energy and of their treatment to the tumor. And that's working enormously well and to their advantage.
And working with TROG has just been a wonderful partnership in order to test these devices that we're creating and how they're going to impact and improve the lives of Australia's cancer patients and ultimately cancer patients around the world.